Hey, as you're logging on today, a couple kids are having trouble or confused about where you're going to complete the classwork. So I wanted to make a little recording for you to show you how to do that. Once you're on the main page, if you go up here to classwork, you will see that you'll have all of these things that you're going to do. So first, you're going to watch the video lesson on random sampling, take notes, and then also here are some just some pre-printed notes for you if you'd like those as well. Second thing, you will have these Google activity slides. To access them the right way, you want to make sure you're clicking view assignments so that you can see it up here where it's able to be turned in. If you're viewing it from the other without clicking view assignment, you don't see the link to submit. So when I click and open it, I now can see the slides where I can make changes to them. It'll automatically open for you to make the changes. So as you click through there, you are going to be dragging and dropping things where they're to be based on what you learned from the video and from the notes, okay? That's the first slide. The next one is asking you to draw a line. I've had some students that are literally drawing lines just like free-handed. The intention is for you to come up here where it says line, and then you can pick a line and draw it to connect whichever pieces of information you want. Then down here, this one here, we're dragging again and dropping each of these statistics where they fall. Are they a sample or a population statistic? And then the last one, you're just freely typing things in. Once you finish with that, you'll see when I go to type up here where it says saving, it automatically saves on its own. So after I've typed something, now it says all changes are saved. I will then close once it says all changes are saved. I'm going to close that. And then when I come back here, I'm going to click turn it in. If you don't click turn it in, I never see it and I don't know that it's finished. So you'll click turn it in, and that's how I get it and I grade it. If you turn it in to me and it's mostly incorrect, I will give it back to you ungraded to fix. I am not grading it for accuracy. However, I am grading it based on the fact that you understand what you're doing. So if you get a few wrong, I'll make a comment letting you know to check those out, compare them to the answer key. If you get most of them wrong, I will send it back with no grade for you to then complete for a grade, because you have to understand this stuff in order to be successful in the lesson check and then the lessons following this. So you'll click turn in. From there, you can check your answers, slides that I was just showing you, and then finally, you'll need to complete the Google Forms. All of these, please click view assignment, and when you do that, then it opens the whole assignment for you. Other than that, once I grade something, I'll send it back to you, and then you'll have access to see how you did. And you'll be wanting to check your email, your school email. Since I'm not doing all this through eCampus, all the communication will be coming through your school email. So that's it. I'll be back on to live chat later this afternoon, but you can always send me a message and I will get back, or leave a comment and I will get back with you because it notifies me. So anyways, take care. Bye.